Welcome to
another RV fishing adventure review.
Thanks.
Hey guys, I want to talk about something that we got recently that really enjoyed using. It's the RAVPower, and this is it's a RAVPower battery pack, and it's a PD Power 15,000 milliamp. It does 30 watts total at once, which is important because it can do multiple devices at the same time, fast charge even. But I wanted to show you how this works, because we use this, Sarah uses it at work, and we also use it at other places. It's great for keeping your GoPro running while you're out and about. You can keep your GoPro running. Like if you mount it on something, you can have this with it, and then keep the GoPro running for a long time, or a digital camera or anything like that. But you can see on the device here, it's got several different kinds of ports. This is the in, so you won't be charging with that, but this is in or out. And then this one here is a quick charge port. So this is power only. This is a quick charge port, and then this is a regular, I forget what they call that, smart, iSmart 2. So it's a smart port. But this charges. So this is, you can see even here, it's fast charging, and it's at 62%. It says it's got 51 minutes left to finish charging. So let me see if I can get it to show that again. Yeah. So it's fast charging, and then 52 minutes. So it's working with the phone. And now I'm going to plug this into the little USB-C port and plug the GoPro into it, which I think is off right now, so I may have to turn it on because it's probably on. Yeah, so it was off. But yeah, it says it's charging. It's at 96%, but it's charging. So both devices are charging at the same time with this thing. It's 15,000 milliamps, so it'll charge the phone. I think Sarah said it'll charge it about 3 or 4 times, and these are 3,500 milliamp batteries, I believe.
See, just from my perspective, I've been using this at work for about 3 weeks now, and I can go roughly 2 to 3 nights of 12-hour shifts with this thing mostly plugged in the whole time. Where I'm at, they don't have easy access to a lot of power cords or a lot of plugs, just because it's an older built facility, so that wasn't a thing back then. So this has been my back saver, knee saver. It's been nice. It's been really nice.
So it's pretty impressive that the how much it'll do. And yeah, that's even already down to 50 minutes. So it's moving right along. This one's up to 97 already. So it's charging just like normal. And then it also, when you first use it, it'll show the power being used on the display here as well. There's a button on the side. Can't see it in this light very well, but it says 52%. So it's on 52% at the moment. But these things are really good, and RAVPower has started doing something lately where they I still have to buy these things at the regular prices or at their normal discount prices, but they give me the ability to make a commission off of it, giving you the same, pretty much the same deal I get, but then I get a little bit of, like, a small percentage of the sale price, so I can make a little money at it. So I really like these. We bought this one just because we needed it. There's going to be some other products. We need a solar panel to help connect our solar generator that we bought. We need another one. I want to have 2 solar panels, so I'm going to be buying one of those for next month. But every month I'm going to be doing something like this, maybe 1 or 2 things. And when I do that, I'll put the code here in the comments below, but then in the description. But then I'm going to put the link for Instagram. I'll have the link up in the profile, so you can go click on it there, and then also in Facebook you'll see it. The link will actually be in the video. So yeah, we really like this. Liked it before they even started this program, but I'm always looking for a way to make a commission off of things that I really like, and I stand behind. And I would not do this if this didn't work. I've been using RAVPower's batteries and different things through the years for a while now, and it's been, they're always better than the competition. I mean, I've had other brands, and I won't name them, but I've had other brands that have the same specs, everything's the same, and sometimes they run just like a RAVPower battery or whatever, but then they fail. And so whenever I go to RAVPower, I don't have the failure rate. Their products work out of the box, everything's functional. I've had 0 problems so far. Now, I haven't bought a tremendous amount, but I've had 0 problems. Whereas other stuff, I haven't bought a tremendous amount, and I've just had to buy them and say, okay, I'm gonna throw this battery away, and what are you gonna do? I mean, it's not worth sending back to far away sometimes. So anyway, that's the RAVPower, and it's the PD Pioneer, 1500 milliamp, 30 watt, and it's a 4-port power bank. So these things are awesome. We're probably going to end up getting a 21,000 eventually, because we really like this one, and the bigger ones would be better for charging up my camera and batteries, and I could do all kinds of stuff off of this. So, and then on top of that, I can hook up the solar panel to this thing and charge it up in a fairly short order. So I'm really looking forward to getting this all set up. But this is a good start for what we're doing, and they got a lot of cool products coming out, and hopefully I'm going to get to show some more. So stay tuned on that one. But yeah, if you're interested in this, check it out. The discount is significant, so it's well worth it. Well worth it. Thanks.